When you think about personal injury attorneys, you might have some preconceived notions about the work they do. Well, we're here to dispel some myths with Brad Huffman of Huffman Huffman. Thanks so much for chatting with us today.
Well, thank you very much for being here. I appreciate it.
So, Brad, what is the number one preconceived notion that people have about personal injury attorneys?
Well, most people think that the insurance company for the other driver is looking out for their best interest, and they're not. When you hire a lawyer, the lawyer is going to look out for your best interest and make sure that you're compensated.
One of the things that we talked about earlier is the first person you call once you're in an accident.
So it's important to call the attorney first before you talk to the insurance company, because the insurance company is going to want to take a recorded statement from you. And anything you say can be used against you. To give you an example, and we see this a lot of times at intersection accidents where the other driver has run a stop sign. And their insurance company will give you a call and ask you a lot of questions about that accident. And one of the questions they'll ask you is, when did you see that other driver run the stop sign? And a lot of times people say, I didn't see him until I hit him. And they're going to say, well, you weren't keeping a proper lookout. So we're denying your claim and we're not going to pay you anything for your property damage or your bodily injury.
So people might even wonder if they have a case. When should they call someone like you?
Well, if they've been injured in an accident, they should contact the attorney because they have really no idea what to do in a case like that. They have no idea what the value of the claim is, and the insurance company for the other driver can take advantage of that.
But what if they are not even feeling injured at the time of the accident?
Well, that's a great question, because a lot of times when the accident happens, you've got your adrenaline going, and you don't even feel the effects of the injury for 24 to 48 hours. So it's important not to talk to the insurance company during that time, because they'll try to get you to take a quick settlement before you know the full extent of your injuries.
Do you have any examples of cases when this has worked in someone's favor?
Yes, we have a lot of examples of that, but it just so happened a couple of weeks ago I settled a claim where the insurance company, right after the accident, contacted the client and offered them $700 to settle their bodily injury claim. And we just settled that person's case for $38,000. It's a big difference.
People might have questions. Where can they go for answers about their particular situation?
Sure. So they should give us a call, 422-HELP. It's an easy number to remember. We're there to help them. It's a free phone call. Costs nothing to give us a call.
Brad, thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you.